Naka-vlog na tayo. Ano mensahe mo?
We are here guys in Batangas. And we're going in Ilog. What? We're going to Central area.
Ito naka-vlog na tayo. Alam mo ano yung parang mga ganun-ganun. Ano mensahe mo? Ay, sino ka, Patrick?
What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Ay, huwag mo ganun tanga. What time is it? What time is it? Oo nga! What time is it?
It's 9:16.
Already 9:16 and...
Makakadya mga balis siya, oh.
Hello guys.
Hello guys.
We're here in Cagubatan.
Hindi, ako cameraman mo.
Shut up, bro.
Yangi ako yung play.
I'm the only one who speaks. So let's go. Show the view, show the view. Show the view.
Wow.
So guys, this is a worth of sharing video. What? You need to toss the coin.
Sila Kervin.
Guitar is in the room.
Sa bahay. Andun.
Inside the room. Look at the view guys, look at the view.
Hindi ako na, cameraman ako.
Oh, just lita narinig your voice.
Uy, careful, nag-go.
Excuse me po when we're walking outside. In Filipino, in here in Filipino country, bro, they are always saying like tabi po when they're going somewhere, and there's really respect of nation. What? And this is in Filipino, this is what you call kambing. It's kambing. Easy kambing. Filipino, bro. Wait, that's not like that. Not like that, bro. Just slowly, bro, like that, bro. Smoothly, like that.
Okay.
Did you get it? Did you get it?
Yeah.
You follow me.
Nabusa ba ng bala?
Ikiklip mo, ikiklip yan.